Hello guys, welcome back. So here in this session, we'll talk about customer down payment. Again, this is down payment. We all know down payment means advance payment itself, right? So the way we are making down payment to the vendor in terms of procuring the goods or services, whatever it is. In the same way, Tata Motor is having expectations. Let's suppose if any new customers are there, in that case, they will put some conditions that okay, we'll deliver you the goods and all only if you make 30% or 40% or 50% down payment and all, right? So when we receive a down payment, how the treatment is going to happen, because and how it is going to be differentiated from down payment to normal payment, from normal payment, right? So pretty simple steps will be there here. Look at your customer down payment means advance received from customer. So first of all, what we have to do, guys, we have to create a down payment reconciliation account. Okay, so hope now you guys are pretty clear about the reconciliation account. What is this down payment reconciliation account, guys? Someone just tell me. Anyone? Why do we need to create a down payment reconciliation account? No answer, guys.
I think to see the total down payments received from customers. That's why we create down payment reconciliation account
Okay, so
in one place.
if we get that report, any benefit is there?
Yes, because we know how much down payments we got from our customers.
Okay. So down payment reconciliation account. What do you mean by reconciliation account, Fahad?
Reconciliation account means, sir, we will know all the amounts that are due for payment or that are due to us from our customers in one place. We'll know all those accounts in one place.
We have
That's
to
reconciliation account.
be a little bit more professional actually. So reconciliation account means consolidated figure of receivable or payable, right?
Or payables. Yes, yes, sir.
Right. This is how you have to see. Now I'll tell you guys. So consolidated figure of receivable and payable. Now here I'm saying that we are having multiple customers, right? So multiple customer means right. So let's suppose multiple. These all are our receivables. So I'll tell you guys, this is our receivable, right? So that we will be getting only if you create a reconciliation account. That reconciliation account, let's suppose, is 1005 or 2 or 1, whatever it is. That we have assigned to them. In the sense, at the time of creating a customer master, it is going to be assigned against the customer master, right? Now here, I'll tell you guys. Okay, so here what is happening. So this is our total consolidated figure here. Consolidated in the sense like 44K, let's suppose. Right? So now here what is happening, guys? So this is the total receivable. But at the same time, even we have already received certain down payment also against, right? Let's suppose here again 3,000, 2,000, right? So this much down payment. How much down payment? So exact figure, this is not the exact one. This is not the correct one, right? This much minus this much. Then we are going to have a correct figure, right? So what is happening? See, when you generate a financial statement, when we this consolidated figure, why we are required, guys? This consolidated figure because see, when the financial statement is going to be generated, so there we must have to show like what is the overall receivable consolidated figure. So here the receivable, whatever the receivable account is, in the sense reconciliation account is there. That reconciliation account is going to be linked with your financial statement version. Later on, there'll be a topic, guys. There'll be a topic where we are going to. I'll show you how to configure this financial statement version. There is a topic. So with the help of that, what is happening, guys? A financial statement will be generated automatically. So how the financial statements are going to be generated? So whatever the GL accounts are there, guys, those GL accounts are going to be assigned over there. So automatically system is going to read out the overall balance of the GL account that is going to be updated over there. So look at here how the work become easy, right? So there, this is the consolidated figure of our total receivable, in the sense account receivable, right? And here out of which like down payment already we have received this much 12K. So this much minus this much. So that is like whatever remaining balance is there is our actual receivables, right? This is how we are going to calculate. So generally, this is why we need to create two different reconciliation account, guys. We'll set up two different reconciliation account. Both is going to be assigned to the financial statements version, right? And the actual calculation is going to happen over there. Later on, some of you who is pretty new for this one. So guys, you will come to know, don't worry. Now, right now, I'll come back on this topic. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create a down payment reconciliation account. Pretty simple. In which server the configuration is there? Two or one? I think two. Okay, so here, okay guys, so now, press 000. So this down payment, where to create, guys? This down payment is your revenue or expenses? What is this?
Uh, it's a liability account, sir,
Why it is liability?
because we have not yet provided the service or the goods to the customer.
So we got the amount, right? It should be our revenue, right? Isn't it?
So we have received the amount and we have to give the service. So it's a liabilities for us. Like how the vendor doubt payment was a asset for us because they have like vendor is already we have given the amount. So it is vice versa.
Okay. So what do you have to say, guys? See, amount we have received, right? Amount we have received, but in turn we have nothing given. Nothing is given to the customers, right? So you are liable to provide your goods or services, or else return the amount, right? So that is why this is your liability. Let me set up. Anyway, these things are not going to be asked by people. We have created a down payment reconciliation account. Now link this reconciliation account with your customer reconciliation account, guys. So how the linking is going to happen, and that way against special yield indicator OVXR. So 2003 is our down payment, right? Asset means we are having 1005. This one I was supposed to create 2005, so it will be easy to remember. But anyway, OVXR. Okay. Down payment here, double click, give your chart of account, and our reconciliation account is this one, and a special deal in the sense this down payment reconciliation account is 2003, right? Just save it once. Then pretty simple steps are there. So this is what the configuration steps, guys, right? Now we have to post the invoices and then post the down payment first, F-29. F-29. So this is going to be posted against special GL indicator, right? Document type is BZ itself, but special GL indicator is coming into picture. So this is how system is going to identify our customer is. What is the customer number, guys? Bank account, right? And how much down payment? Let's suppose any amount, 600, or it's like 6,000. Press enter, and here once again 6,000 down payment. Simulate and save it. So down payment got posted. If you want to see FBL 5N, right? This is the customer number or what? Let me check it. So execute without customer number itself. Oh, we don't have any open item, right? So here anyway, open item in the sense invoice is not there. So you select this special GL indicator. Down payment we have posted, right? 247 is the customer number, right? So this is our down payment, right? It is posted against special GL indicator. Now the next one is post one invoice. That is 70. And an invoice worth of 10,000. So this is a notification that this much down payment is existing. You just save it, Control S. Okay, so now what is happening, guys? If you go to payment posting, okay. So here what is happening? Our down payment is also going to exist. It is going to appear. So how much payment, guys? 4,000 payment only we are supposed to pay your customer. Let's enter. Okay. So why down payment is not appearing, guys? So you are supposed to select a special yield indicator here so that it is going to appear, or else you have to convert, you have to clear this down payment, you have to convert like special item into normal item, right? So clearing again is going to, but right now we are having options here. Here itself you can give the special yield indicator and also no need to no need to go for any further steps. Now it become easy here. Give a special yield indicator. System is going to bring both line items, right? 10,000 minus 6,000. So we have entered 4,000. System is also saying 4,000 itself, right? You can simulate, right? Here same customer, one is being credited with 10,000. Another one is being debited with 10,000. Why? The reason behind is because we have two different line item with the here refresh. Now we have two different line item. One is invoice and second one is down payment. So both supposed to be cleared separately, right? So with this credit, if you have a debit line item, then only it is going to be cleared. And for this debit, if you have a credit line item, then only it is going to be cleared. So already you look at here, system has generated two different line items, right? And whatever remaining surplus amount is there that we have received in the form of payment, so your bank account is going to be debited here. If you post it, now the both line items are going to be clear, right? So this is all about the down payment, guys. Nothing is there in the down payment, right? I was supposed to start a different topic, but anyway, now guys, I'll tell you one thing. I'm having a question. I think that is asked earlier also, right? So let's suppose TM33, right? Okay, no, I'll tell you. Okay, so guys, someone just tell me. Okay, so for one user, how many tolerance group can be assigned, guys? Someone just tell me.
So one.
One. Can't we use more than one?
Sorry, sir.
Can't we use more than one?
No, sir. If we are specifying that ID of a particular user, we can assign only one.
Is this correct, guys? Or anybody is having any different thought compared to Momita? At least you can type also, yeah, yes, no.
We only one, sir, but we can use if we want the user to use another tolerance group, means that tolerance group's names also same, sir, code also same.
So now here, let's suppose I'm having Tata Steel. Now, except you, Jaffer, for other people, you will reply later. So TM33, then I'm having TS33, right? Now, okay. So what I have defined, like let's suppose multiple company codes are there, right? Tata Motor, Tata Steel. Now here, let's suppose tolerance group 1, tolerance group 2, 3. This we have defined for Tata Motor. You know very well that it is going to be defined at company code level, right? Here we have given certain conditions, like let's suppose here 1 lakh, here 10 lakh, and here let's suppose unlimited. unlimited amount. Okay, so this is the tolerance group which we have defined for Tata Motor. Now there is a user A, B, C, D. So these all users are assigned. These are the ground level users. It is assigned against this tolerance group, right? And these users are going to post the invoice for Tata Motor. Later on, let's suppose these users are supposed to, let's suppose the Tata Steel rollout is happening, right? So even the same user can be able to post the invoices for Tata Steel also. In that case, someone just tell me, except Jaffer. So someone just tell me like, so for Tata Steel also we have to create a tolerance group. So how it is going to be mapped, guys? Because these users are already assigned, let's suppose against TG1. So now for Tata Steel, how we are going to set up the tolerance group? Tell me. Provide someone just tell me. Okay, for Tata Motor, we have already done implementations, right? Now we have to go for Tata Steel. For Tata Steel, we are going to do rollout. So these all users are already assigned. This tolerance group we have assigned against these users, right? Now we are doing rollout for Tata Steel. Management is saying that whatever the users are responsible to post the invoices for Tata Motor, the same user will be responsible to post the invoices for Tata Steel also. So now what to do for Tata Steel? How we are going to set up the tolerance group? Any answer, guys? Any smart answer? This is very simple, yeah. I think earlier it is already explained, right? Why every time only one candidate will respond? Even you people also should say something. So Hardik is saying, do not need to create the tolerance group for Tata Steel, as Tata Steel can use the tolerance group of Tata Motor. Tolerance group creation is a mandatory setting here, right? You cannot use the tolerance group of other company code. See, this tolerance group already it is created for Tata Motor. This cannot be used by Tata Steel. When you create a tolerance group, look at there, you are going to specify the company code also, right? Whether you give the group code or not, that doesn't matter, but giving company code is mandatory. Now you let me know the solutions. Momita is saying tolerance for employee. So what is this tolerance for employee? I couldn't understand. Is it an answer? Okay. Anybody now? Anyone can answer. Anyone can answer. Tell me. Jaffa, you too.
Yes, sir. We can create a TG01, the same group for the
TG0
Tata Steel also.
Tata Steel also.
Yeah.
Why TG? You
Yes,
mean to
sir.
say like you're talking about? Okay, let's suppose you're talking about here like this. Are you talking like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so here, if I want to give a different amount limit, is it possible to provide?
Yes, sir.
So I want to give you 5 lakhs. Here 10
Yeah,
lakhs.
it's fine.
So same code. You mean to say same code here? Is it acceptable?
Yeah, it's acceptable, sir.
This is pretty simple, guys. In such a case, once you become a real-time consultant, this is a very simple things and all which will come into picture, guys. Whether you are the part of implementations or rollout and all, So see, whatever code we have given, this combination must be unique. Okay, TG1 and TM33 are different combinations. This is a different combinations. This is a different combinations. Likewise, here also look at here, the combination is different, right? So TG1 once again you can give in group code, group tolerance group ID can be given TG1, and for Tata Steel we are going to give this company code, right? So always when the multiple company codes are there, and let's suppose a group of employee is responsible to post the invoices for Tata Steel also, Tata Chemical also, uh, Tata Motor also, right? In that case, what is happening? When we have to define the tolerance group, we use the same group ID. Group code will be same. TG1, TG2, TG3. Here also TG1, TG2, TG3 itself will be there, and company codes we have given Tata Steel. So what is happening, guys? Now these user IDs, this user IDs we have assigned against what? We have assigned against like user ID. If you guys are able to remember, against user ID we are going to assign the tolerance group, right? So A, we have assigned TG1, right? So now someone just tell me, okay, we have assigned TG1. What the problem is, how SAP will come to know? Let's suppose if somebody is going to post the invoices, right? So how the now SAP is confused. Here we have given 1 lakh, here we have given 5 lakh. So which one is going to be read out by system? This one or this one? How SAP will come to know?
Based on a company code, sir. For which company code we are posting, so the system will trigger that.
For which company code we are posting?
Yeah, the combination, sir. For Tata Motor, we have created T01 and TM33. For that, we have specified the amount 1 lakh. If we, if we post the invoice in TM33, so that will trigger.
So guys, this answer like everybody is supposed to answer, right? Only one answer I'm receiving. Other people, no. So participation must be there. Whether it is right or wrong, whatever it is, but try to say something, right? So here it's pretty simple, right? Pretty simple means, of course, transactions are going to be posted against company code. So when you post for TM33, right? When you post a this TM33 in the sense for Tata Motor, then first of all, what is going to be triggered by system, guys? SAP is going to check which user ID transaction is going to be posted by this user ID. Against this user ID, what is the tolerance group code? That is TG1, right? So TG1. Now TG1 system is going to check against which company code. So transaction is getting posted for TM33. Then here system is going to check what is the limit, right? If it is here TG2, then what is happening, guys? And that too, if transaction is getting posted for Tata Steel, system is going to check here. Very simple, nothing confusing, guys. Company code anyway, SAP is every transactions are getting posted against company code, right? So SAP found company code. Let's suppose if it is Tata Steel. Tata Steel means from these three. For Tata Steel, we have defined three tolerance group only, right? Now SAP will come to know who is the user, in the sense who is posting the transactions. Of course, you guys are going to log in through your user ID. So if it is like user ID is this one, and against this user ID we have assigned which tolerance group, so TG2. System is going to see a TG2, and for which company code transaction is posted, Tata Steel. If it is Tata Steel, then here. If it is Tata Motor, then here. Right? This is what the simple logic you have to, I think you have to apply some mind, you have to make some kind of experiments and all, right? And you guys are supposed to ask such kind of questions and all. So anyway, guys, that's all in this.